Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make chicken salad with mayonnaise full guide. Start by shredding cooked chicken and placing it in a large bowl, then scoop in mayonnaise and stir until coated. Add chopped celery, green onion, and a squeeze of lemon, then season with salt and pepper to taste. Fold in fruit or nuts for texture if you like, chill briefly, and serve on bread or greens for a quick meal. Select fresh ingredients to keep the salad bright and flavorful. Cook and cool chicken completely before mixing to avoid thinning the mayo. Taste as you go and adjust seasoning with lemon or a dash of mustard for depth. Consider swapping mayo for half yogurt for tang, or add herbs like dill and parsley for freshness. Keep additions uniform in size so every bite is balanced and pleasant. Serve your chicken salad in versatile ways that suit the meal. Spoon it on a toasted bread for a sandwich, tuck it into wraps for portable lunches, or pile it on salad greens for a lighter option. Refrigerate promptly in an airtight container and use within 3 days to maintain quality. If packing for later, keep dressing separate and toss just before serving to preserve texture and freshness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.